think Hollywood's done a fantastic job scaring the tar out of us around everything's AI, right? This is not an iRobot opportunity, but AI's been around for a long time. People just don't realize it. But when you really think of AI, what you need to keep in mind is it's a product, it's a software that you as a human are telling what to do. You are designing it to make your functionality, and Jason hit on this, the functionality of your business, your life easier. So if you think of it in that aspect, AI can't control anything it's not told to control. And I think that that's where a lot of business owners and individuals get complacent when it comes to AI. The terminology is kind of spooky, scary because of all the hype around it. But at the end of the day, if you think about the fact that it's only doing what you're telling it to do, and it can only do what you tell it to do,